Hi, welcome everyone to this week's weekly market view for Monday the 23rd of May to Friday the 27th of May 2022. My name is Vishal Subban and I'm the head of trading education for Sharekhan Education. Let's dive down deep into the charts and let's find out the levels for this week. Alright, let's look at some key levels on the Nifty for this week. Let's start with the monthly chart of the Nifty. So if you look at the monthly chart of the Nifty, we are still holding on to that monthly level of demand. We have come a little closer to that level once again, but whenever the price gets into that monthly level, we are seeing some kind of a bounce coming out of that level. So if I zoom in the chart here, you can see that the markets are again bouncing. Let's go to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, again, the market is reacting to the already tested weekly demand zone, and we still have some room to move to the upside in case the market begins to show some strength. If you look at the volatility, this is our implied volatility indicator. Currently it is showing that the option premiums are inflated. So there is still some panic in the market, which might indicate that there is a possibility of more sell-off coming into the market, and because of this the volatility might increase in the coming week. So unless and until we see a crucial break above the 16,300 or 400 levels, at this given point in time, any rally that takes place in this market will be looked upon as a rally to go short on the indexes. Let's look at Bank Nifty. So if we look at the Bank Nifty chart, let me just remove all the tools. The Bank Nifty is also holding on to this monthly level of demand, and the prices are still far away. We have had a pretty decent bounce coming out of this intraday level on the daily chart. The weekly chart is also again holding. So again, Bank Nifty on the weekly chart is still showing some room to the upside. But if we go on to a slightly intraday time frame, let's say we go to a 60-minute chart, so currently Bank Nifty is holding on to this 60-minute level of demand. So this level of demand is going to be a crucial level of demand because price has already come in once here, given a nice bounce. It has given a bounce on the second time, and now there is also a possibility that the markets can come down again before giving another bounce to the upside. So as per the SGX Nifty, we are expecting to see approximately a 70 to 80 point gap down on Monday, and of course that also depends on how the Asian markets open on Monday, so those numbers can change. But as of now, the SGX Nifty is suggesting that we are likely to open gap down by nearly 70 points. Also keep in mind that Friday evening the SGX Nifty was trading nearly 200 points in the minus. And there it has recovered from the lows because the global markets have also recovered from the lows. Let's look at the USD INR. And if we look at the USD INR is also pretty strong at the moment right now. These are the key levels on the USD INR. We have this level of demand over here, and there is a possibility that in case if the market gaps down, we might tend to see a pretty strong bounce coming out of this level of demand. So it is very, very key for us now to look at this level, and if the USD INR does hit this level, there is a possibility that Nifty will more or less likely be in a potential supply zone. So the level to watch out for on the USD INR will be the 76.96 to 76.73 handle, and this will be a very, very crucial level to see whether the Nifty also is in a supply zone when the USD INR comes to this area. So watch out for this key level on the USD INR. Currently, the options are fairly priced on the USD INR. So you can look at either options buying or options selling, both on the USD INR. The stock for the week is Bharti Airtel. So let's quickly analyze Bharti Airtel and what Bharti Airtel has been doing. On the higher time frames, that is on the daily chart, we are seeing that Bharti Airtel has been consolidating between this level of demand, which is 637, 624, and this daily level of supply, which is 733, 746. Right now, we are right in the middle of this supply zone and this demand. Volatility on Bharti Airtel is indicating that option premiums are inflated. So in case if you are a non-directional trader and you want to deploy a non-directional strategy, then this is the ideal scenario where you can deploy a non-directional strategy on Bharti Airtel. On a intraday level front, there are a few important levels to watch out for. There is a key level of demand at the very end of this area over here. So let's quickly mark this area, and in case if markets do happen to gap down on Monday, then we might likely to see a bounce coming out of the 653, 639 area. So here are the key levels for this week. Looking forward to see you next week, same time, same place. Till then, good luck with your trading. Have a lovely week, and of course, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, which is Sharekhan Education. Bye bye everyone, and have a safe week. Bye bye.
This should not be treated as a recommendation. Please conduct your own analysis or consult a financial advisor before investing.